In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your boards with Trello teams. Let's get started and dive right in. The first step on this journey is to head over to Trello.com. This is the hub where all our organizational magic will happen. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Log In. If you already have an account, this is as simple as logging in with your regular credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, Trello offers the flexibility of logging in using your email or conveniently through your Google account to streamline the process. Once you've logged in, the next thing you should do is go to your boards by navigating to the Boards section in Trello. It's crucial to make sure you are accessing the boards associated with your specific workspaces. These workspaces are essentially collections of Trello boards that can be accessed by specific teams within an organization. From the My Workspaces section, select the board you wish to organize. This is where you'll begin setting up your lists and cards. Now let's focus on structuring your board. Click on Add List to start creating a new list. For this demonstration, we'll name our first list To Do. This becomes your primary list where you'll keep track of tasks that you need to accomplish. Once that's set, click Add List again and title your next column Doing. This will serve as a placeholder for tasks that are actively in progress. To close the loop, add another list named Done. This final list is for tasks that have been completed successfully. With the basic structure in place, it's time to bring in the specifics. Click on Add a Card under your To-Do list or any other appropriate list you've set up. Name this card according to the task it represents. After you've created the card, click again on Add Card to affirm its addition to your list. Once your card is in place, click on it to bring up more detailed options. Here's where you can add a description to provide further clarity on what the card entails. Adding descriptions can be very helpful if more than one person is involved in the task at hand. Labels are a great way to visually categorize your cards at a glance. So be sure to add labels to your cards to differentiate between types of tasks or priorities. Checklists can also be immensely helpful for breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts. Finally, don't forget to set start and due dates for each card. This feature is incredibly useful for time management and ensuring that deadlines are met. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively organize your boards using Trello teams, creating a streamlined approach to task management and team collaboration. Happy organizing!